Good day, everyone. My name is Santos. I'm member of the campaign Fight Against Alcoholism here in San Pedro Sula, Honduras. And I'm here today to present a workshop. And it's about alcoholism. Um, I like to use this time to um, to know each other better. And like I say, my name is Santos, and I'm very happy to be here with you. And to start, what do you know about alcoholism? It's alcohol bad? Do you have a family member who suffer from alcoholism? Well, to start, we need to understand what alcoholism is. And it's a disease that affects our body and our mind due to the abuse of drink that contain alcohol. Alcoholism is the inability to control alcohol consumption due to physical and emotional dependence. Symptoms of alcohol addiction are anxiety to consume it, loss of control, inability to stop drinking, physical dependence. Why avoid alcohol in your life? Why is that so important? Well, if you avoid alcohol in your life, you will have a healthy body, a happy family. You will be focused on studies or work. Take care of your family and not put others at risk. This is very important. One important research from CDC studies say that drinking too much alcohol can be harmful to your health. In the United States, binge drinking costs more than 95,000 deaths annually and shorten the life of those who die by an average of 29 years. Additionally, binge drinking was responsible from 1 in 10 adult deaths working age between 20 and 64 years. The economic cost of excessive alcohol consumption in 2010 was estimated at $249 billion or 2.05 per drink. There's a lot of techniques to avoid alcoholism, like keep alcohol out of your home, do sport activities to keep your body more active, avoid people or places that make you drink, talk to a friend, family member, or church leader when you feel like drinking for advice. But the best technique to avoid alcoholism is prevention. And this is why I'm here today to learn more about the alcoholism and how to avoid it. Now is time for an activity. And in this activity, we will divide ourselves in two groups and we will create a song uh, that is related to the theme in order to have a little fun and at the same time get to know each other better as a group. Well, our workshop philosophy is that reflect on the damage that the consumption of alcoholic beverage can cause to our bodies or to our families and the society in which we live. Life is very short, and we must ensure that our experience on this earth is pleasant and not full of disease. It must be used to study and work for a better future. If you are a young person in the city of San Pedro Sula, you have to understand that you are the future of this country. What did we learn today? It's alcohol important in your life. Alcoholism is a real disease. What change we make? Maybe you have a friend or a family member who suffer from this disease, and you have the power to help others and help yourself. You don't need to drink alcohol just because everyone else does. You don't need to drink alcohol to go to a party or be part of a society. Love your body, live life, and be happy. Do not allow alcohol to take over your thoughts and your action. Don't suffer from an intoxicated and sick body. You have the power in your hand. Be healthy, be happy. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope this worship can be helpful for you and for other people.